Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Convoy app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Convoy is a digital freight and trucking app designed for carriers and owner-operators to find, bid on, and book loads directly through their smartphones. Developed by the logistics company Convoy Incorporated, the app aims to remove traditional brokerage layers by offering transparent rates, automated bidding, and real-time load tracking. Users can search available loads, access facility reviews, and upload paperwork instantly after delivery, all within the platform. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is praised for its user-friendly interface, clear load details, and the ability to bid competitively. Many drivers appreciate the upfront pricing, hassle-free booking, and fast payment options with QuickPay. The ability to read and leave reviews for pickup and drop-off facilities is also a major plus. Additionally, Convoy's emphasis on reducing empty miles through smart load suggestions is seen as a time and fuel-saving feature. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report limited load availability in less populated regions, which may affect consistent income. There are occasional complaints about delays in payment despite QuickPay, as well as frustrations with the automated bidding system. A few drivers also note that customer support response times can be inconsistent during critical issues. Overall experience may also vary based on location and market demand. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Convoy app may be worth using if you're a carrier or owner-operator looking for a tech-driven, broker-free load booking platform. It excels in transparency, facility insights, and convenience. However, if you operate in low-density areas or prefer human-based dispatch support, it might not always deliver the consistency you need. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.